No fewer than 6 persons, including an infant, were said to have been burned to death in a fire accident in Abeokuta on Wednesday. DONKES News Lab learned that the incident occurred at Oke-Egunya along NTA Road, Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital. Eyewitness account has it that the fire started as a result of gas explosion. It was learned that a technician had visited the house in the area to service a faulty refrigerator. In the process of topping up gas into the refrigerator, there was an attraction of fire from someone cooking, and there came an explosion, an eyewitness told DONKES News Lab. The Director of Fire Service, Ogun State, Engr Fatai Adefala, has confirmed the incident to newsmen. Adefala said his men, after receiving the distress call, raced to the scene to put out the fire. However, 3 were burned to death as they could not escape from the explosion. It was guided. We received the distress call at 3:15 p.m. at Oke-Egunya. We learned it was a spark of fire. On getting there, we discovered it was a gas explosion. What really happened was that they were cooking outside with fire, and unfortunately, the gas exploded. They were trying to top the gas in the fridge. In the process, it exploded. 3 lives were lost. 1 infant was among them. For now, the bodies are still lying there. It was those who are living in that house that were affected. It was an Asian building. Our men are still at the scene of the incident, including other agencies like the police, DSS, and others, Adefala explained. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.